El Cotillo Lagoons Beach in Spain is a resort paradise hidden in the northwest of the island of Fuerteventura, Canary Islands. With fine white sand and clear blue sea, El Cotillo Lagoons is an ideal destination for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy the wild beauty of nature. El Cotillo Lagoons Beach is located in the northwest of the island of Fuerteventura, one of the largest islands in the Canary Islands, Spain. It is part of the community of La Oliva in the province of Las Palmas, an autonomous district of the Canary Islands. In terms of climate, El Cotillo Lagoons is located in the subtropical monsoon climate zone, where summers are warm and dry, and winters are cool and wet. The abundance of sunshine all year round is an important factor, creating ideal conditions for tourism and extracurricular activities. Under the clear blue sea of El Cotillo Lagoons, you can discover a diverse world of marine animals, from beautiful small fish to large fish. This sea area is also home to many species of coral and other marine life, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. The girls on El Cotillo Lagoon's beach shine with radiant smiles and cheerfulness as they enjoy the golden sunshine, gentle breeze and clear blue sea. They sported exquisite bikinis that accentuated their seductive curves and highlighted their natural beauty amid the soft white sand and shimmering sunlight. El Cotillo Lagoon's beach has a major influence on Spain's tourism and economy. With its wild beauty and wonderful marine environment, this beach attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world every year, creating a huge source of revenue for the local economy. However, the sudden increase in tourist traffic also poses many challenges in terms of environmental protection and local cultural preservation. The sustainable management and protection of natural resources is an issue that needs to be carefully addressed to ensure that tourism development is sustainable and does not harm the environment and communities. Local subscribe to our wandering channel today so you don't miss any videos and explore the world with us in an authentic and emotional way. Here, you will experience colorful and fascinating journeys, from beautiful natural landscapes to unique cultures around the world.